how the rich invest differently, and why the middle class stays stuck. Wealth isn't simply about how much money you earn. It's about how you think about money, how you invest it, and how you let it grow over time. Even in the same economy, the rich and the middle class often have drastically different financial outcomes. While the middle class may save diligently, the wealthy often multiply their money through smart investing strategies. The difference isn't luck, it's mindset, knowledge, and action. Focusing on assets, not just income. One of the clearest differences between the rich and middle-class households is how they view income. Most middle-class individuals rely heavily on earned income from jobs or careers. They save a portion, maybe invest in a 401k or pension, but most of their wealth growth depends on the hours they work. Their income is linear. More work equals more money. The rich, on the other hand, focus on acquiring assets that generate income independently. Rental properties, stocks, bonds, businesses, or intellectual property create streams of passive income, money that continues to flow even when they're not actively working. For example, a wealthy individual might own multiple rental apartments. The rent paid by tenants generates income month after month, which can then be reinvested into other assets. This creates a compounding effect over time, a key advantage the middle class often misses. Embracing calculated risk. Risk perception is another major factor separating the rich from the middle class. Middle-class investors often prioritize safety. They prefer savings accounts, government bonds, or conservative mutual funds. While these options are low risk, they rarely outperform inflation, which means that in the long run, the purchasing power of their money may stagnate or even decline. Wealthy individuals, however, understand the importance of calculated risk. They diversify their portfolios across stocks, private equity, real estate, startups, and sometimes even commodities like gold or oil. They do not take blind risks. Instead, they conduct thorough research, leverage expert advice, and often invest in areas where they have expertise. This informed approach allows them to achieve higher returns while protecting their capital. For instance, investing in a startup may be risky, but if done strategically with proper due diligence, it can yield returns that dwarf traditional investment options. Long-term vision and patience. Time horizon plays a critical role in wealth building. Middle-class households often focus on short to medium-term goals, paying off a car, saving for a vacation, or preparing for retirement in a couple of decades. These goals are valid, but limit exposure to investments that could generate exponential growth. Wealthy individuals think in terms of decades and even generations. They understand the power of compound growth. Investments that steadily increase over years or decades can grow exponentially. For example, consistently reinvesting dividends from stocks or profits from businesses over 20-30 years can turn modest investments into significant wealth. Patience, discipline, and long-term vision are key principles the rich apply rigorously. Access to exclusive opportunities. Another major difference lies in access to information and exclusive investment opportunities. Middle-class investors often rely on public advice, financial blogs, online courses, or employer-provided retirement plans. While helpful, these sources are generic and accessible to everyone, which can limit potential returns. High net worth individuals, in contrast, often benefit from private networks, specialized advisors, and exclusive deals. They might invest in private startups, participate in real estate syndicates, or acquire businesses before they become widely available. This early access often translates to higher returns. Consider venture capital. The average investor cannot easily buy shares in a promising startup, but the wealthy can, gaining access to opportunities that may multiply their wealth many times over. Strategic use of debt. Debt is another area where wealthy and middle-class mindsets differ. Many middle-class households view debt negatively, associating it with credit cards, car loans, or personal loans. Avoiding unnecessary debt is wise, but the wealthy use strategic debt to grow wealth. For example, they may leverage a low-interest mortgage to buy a rental property that produces more cash flow than the debt costs. Similarly, entrepreneurs may borrow to expand a business, knowing the return will outweigh the cost of the loan. The difference is that for the wealthy, debt is a tool for generating more income, not just funding consumption. Using debt strategically allows the rich to amplify wealth creation, something most middle-class households miss out on due to fear of borrowing. Financial education and behavioral patterns. Financial habits and behavior matter just as much as money itself. Middle-class households often save after spending and may avoid investments that seem complex or risky. The wealthy, however, prioritize financial education and proactive habits. They invest before spending, continually seek opportunities, and stay informed about the markets. They understand that consistent, disciplined action over time leads to compounding results. For example, a wealthy investor might allocate a portion of income to diversified portfolios, real estate, and business ventures simultaneously, continually adjusting their strategy based on market conditions. Over time, these proactive behaviors compound, generating substantial wealth. Why the middle class often feels stuck. All these differences explain why middle-class families often feel financially stuck, relying primarily on earned income, prioritizing low-risk investments, focusing on short-term goals, lacking access to high-return assets, and avoiding strategic use of debt can all limit wealth growth. Meanwhile, the rich benefit from multiple income streams, diversified portfolios, long-term vision, and strategic risk-taking. However, being middle class doesn't mean escaping wealth-building potential. By adopting some strategies used by the wealthy, focusing on assets, embracing calculated risk, leveraging debt smartly, investing long-term, and building financial knowledge, anyone can gradually improve their financial situation. Even small, consistent investments over time can produce exponential returns, allowing the middle class to break free from stagnation. Mindset, strategy, and action. The gap between the rich and the middle class isn't merely about income, it's about mindset, strategy, and behavior. While middle-class individuals often depend on linear earnings and conservative savings, the wealthy focus on acquiring assets that generate passive income, taking calculated risks, and thinking in decades rather than months. By learning from these differences and gradually applying them, middle-class households can start breaking free from financial limitations. Patience, discipline, and a willingness to learn are critical. Over time, these principles enable individuals to create sustainable wealth that grows independently of their daily work, ultimately leading to financial freedom and security for themselves and future generations. The takeaway is simple but profound. Building wealth isn't about how much you make. It's about how you make your money work for you. Start small, think long-term, and adopt the mindset of an investor. Over time, your financial reality can change dramatically. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more tips, like to support, and comment your thoughts below. Remember, the right mindset and smart investing can change your financial future. See you in the next video.